Hello, this is Ellie Smith, and I'm going to be showing you how to use this cool tool that I found called Popplet. So when you log into Popplet, it'll show you a page like this, and obviously there won't be any Popplets here, but I went ahead and messed around with it, and I'm going to kind of show how to use Popplet using this one that I created. But what's really cool about Popplet is that you can share your Popplets with other people, and I believe that you're able to have multiple people working on one Popplet at the same time, which is cool. And there's even Popplets that are public, and you can see there's a bunch of weird ones on here, but I thought that was cool that there are public Popplets. So I thought that this tool would be really great. The best use that I could think of it for was creating the outline of some kind of essay or something like that, but I think it could be a really neat study tool to prepare for a test, really good for brainstorming, and this really just appeals to the way that I am able to remember things and visualize things because it is very visual and it allows you to get all of your ideas just out. So if you were starting from scratch, you would hit create new Popplet, but since I don't have the premium version, you can create one at a time, which would be fine because when you were done you could delete it. But if I open up the Popplet that I made, I got really into doing this. I made a Popplet with the themes for Pride and Prejudice. So if you were going to start from scratch, I can come over here and I could hit make new Popple. Where's my Popple? Oh, there's my Popple. I would make a new Popple and I could type anything I wanted. And if I was going to branch off from my Popplet, you just click on one of these dots and drag out. And if I was going to branch off from there, you could drag out and create new Popplets. And you see it has my name on there. If somebody else were to add a Popplet, it would have their name on there. So you can just branch off and keep adding ideas. You can change the size of your text and the formatting of it. You can change the color of your bubble. You can even draw in your Popplet, which I thought was really cool. Or you could add pictures, which I didn't play around too much with yet, but I thought that was really cool. So I'm going to come over to the one that I made just to kind of give an example of what I think the best use of this would be. So you can see mine looks kind of crazy because I got a little bit excited because I was talking about Pride and Prejudice. But I started with the title, Pride and Prejudice, and then I was like, we'll go with the themes for Pride and Prejudice. And I branched off love, wealth, pride, prejudice, whatever. And you can see that you are able to connect bubbles to multiple different places. So first I pulled Mr. Collins off from wealth, but then I thought he could also connect to love as well. So if you want to connect a bubble to multiple, you can pull and connect just like that, which is really neat. So you're able to really just organize your ideas and get all of your ideas out that way. And then you can hit share and you can add a collaborator over here by adding their email and hitting invite. It sends them an email with a link to edit your Popplet with you. So this would be great for working on group projects or something like that. Creating a presentation could be really cool to use this tool. So yeah, I just thought that this was a really cool, easy to use tool, and I can think of many different ways to use it, but I had a lot of fun creating this one, and I think that I could get really into creating a Popplet about any topic. So yeah.